If you run a service business, you know that customer communication is absolutely everything. But what if? What if you could have a front desk that never sleeps, that never misses a single call, and could instantly turn a simple question into a paying customer? Well, that's not science fiction anymore. A whole new wave of ready-to-use AI tools are making this a reality. And today, we're going to break down exactly how they work. Seriously, think about it for a second. That phone call you missed while you were out on a job, or that text message that came through late at night, was that just an interruption you dodged? Or was that a $5,000 project that just went straight to your competitor, the one who actually picked up the phone? See, every single missed inquiry isn't just a missed call. It's lost revenue. It's a tiny crack in your reputation. And that is the exact problem these new AI tools were built to solve. So the solution is something called a turnkey AI communication system. Now, the most important word there is turnkey. This isn't about you needing to hire a team of developers or, learn how to code an AI from scratch. No. This is a pre-built, totally out-of-the-box system that's designed to handle all those customer calls and texts for you 24/7 around the clock. Okay, so how does it actually work? It's honestly brilliantly simple. Let's walk through it. Step 1, a potential customer calls or texts your business number. Step 2, before the second ring, the AI instantly responds. It engages them in a natural conversation, asking the key questions you need answered. And then, step 3, based on that quick chat, boom. It either books an appointment directly onto your calendar or it captures a fully qualified lead for you to follow up with later. That's it. 3 steps, all happening in the background, completely automated. And here's the part that's really wild. The sheer scale of this. This isn't just for a couple of tech-savvy businesses. These AI systems are already built, they're trained, and they are ready to go in over 21 different service industries right now. So let's dive in and look at some of the biggest opportunities industry by industry. All right, first up, home services. Now, if you're a contractor, a plumber, a roofer, you know that speed is the name of the game. The first person to get back to a customer with a quote or a time slot is almost always the one who wins the job. It's that simple. For instance, imagine you're a roofer. A customer texts you asking for a quote. The AI can instantly reply, ask for their address, the type of roof, and get that whole process started before your competition even sees their missed call. Or think about this. You're a plumber. A homeowner has a pipe burst at 2 in the morning. They can actually have a conversation with your AI and get an emergency visit scheduled on the spot. You just secured a super high-value job all while you were sound asleep. It's all about capturing that customer's urgency in the moment. Okay, next up, let's talk about professional services. For folks in this world, the challenge isn't always just about speed. It's about time management. It's about filtering through all the noise to find the serious clients so you can focus your energy where it really counts. So here, the AI basically acts like the perfect virtual assistant or gatekeeper. If you're a real estate agent, a new lead from Zillow can be qualified instantly. The AI can ask, hey, are you already working with an agent? Have you been pre-approved for a mortgage? By the time you wake up, you have a nice prioritized list of hot leads ready to go. Or for a financial planner, the AI can pre-screen new clients and book those initial consultations right into your calendar, completely eliminating that endless game of phone tag. The big opportunity here is reclaiming your most valuable asset, your time. And finally, let's touch on health and wellness. In this space, smooth professional communication isn't just good for business. It's absolutely essential for building trust from that very first interaction. The opportunities here are really focused on amazing service and retention. For a dentist's office or a med spa, the AI can handle all the appointment reminders. It can even let patients reschedule with a simple text message, which dramatically cuts down on no-shows. Or think about a gym. Someone gets a burst of motivation at 10 p.m. on a Sunday night. Well, the AI is there to answer all their questions about memberships and pricing, capturing that motivation right when it strikes. It's all about being available the second your client is ready. So when you look at all these different industries, what's the common thread? Whether you're installing solar panels or scheduling a dental cleaning, the basic principle is exactly the same. The business that communicates quickly, reliably, and professionally is the one that's going to win and keep the customer. Period. I mean, this really puts the change into perspective, doesn't it? The old way, yesterday's front desk, meant you were chained to your phone, playing that awful voicemail tag game, and basically closing your doors to new business every day at 5 p.m. But today's AI front desk gives you 24/7 responsiveness, it gives your customer instant gratification, and it handles follow-up automatically. It is a fundamental, game-changing upgrade to how you operate. And I want to be really clear about this. This isn't some far-off, futuristic concept we're talking about. These are practical, turnkey solutions that businesses just like yours are putting to work right now. This is a real, accessible tool for your business today. So I'll leave you with this one question to think about. If you could just wave a magic wand and automate one single part of your customer communication, that one thing that's repetitive and just eats up your time, would it be answering the same pricing questions over and over, scheduling those first appointments, following up on old quotes? What would it be? Because whatever just popped into your head, that single point of friction, that's probably the perfect place to start.